time to start the rally. Time for some dust. It's a short track.
Short track, 27 kilometers. And if I look at these dunes, this was 2013, but then the other way around.
It's gonna start here, man.
Yeah, good, eh? It's time
Thanks.
for us.
Very
Thanks,
good.
mate.
Very good. Action.
Have fun.
Action. Action.
Okay, nightmare. The water temperature was getting too hot, so we had to stop.
There's always in Dakar one day that's always hard, and we've had it already, okay?
That's what it is. That should be it. Directly after 200 meters we were stuck.
Yeah, the brakes locked.
Yeah. The next jump it locked again.
Yeah.
But we didn't know the brakes were locking. No, it wasn't the start we had expected.
No.
We're here, so let the mechanic do their job and then we're fine, isn't it?
Yep, and then we can do it again.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Flat out.
Tomorrow.